Dear viewers, My Focus YouTube channel welcomes you to learn the pronunciation of variety of birds. There are about 60 bird names in this video. Practice it along with me and enjoy it. Indian roller, Indian roller, Indian bustard, Indian bustard, Indian pitta, Indian pitta, Indian mountain quail, Indian mountain quail, Indian green bee eater, Indian green bee eater, canary, canary, cormorant, cormorant, crane, crane, crow, crow. This is the cuckoo bird. Cuckoo, cuckoo. It is also called as coil, coil. Coppersmith barbet, Coppersmith barbet. Dove, dove. Duck, duck. Eagle, eagle. Flamingo, flamingo. Goldfinch, goldfinch. Goose, goose. Guineafowl, guineafowl. Hawk, hawk. Hen, hen. Heron, heron. HOATZIN, HOATZIN. Hornbill, hornbill. Hummingbird, hummingbird. Jaybird, jaybird. Kestrel, kestrel. Kingfisher, kingfisher. MACAW, MACAW. Malabar trogen, Malabar trogen. Myna, myna. Nightingale, nightingale. Oriole, oriole. Ostrich, ostrich. Owl, owl. Parrot, parrot. Partridge, partridge. Peacock, peacock. Pelican, pelican. Penguin, penguin. Pheasant, pheasant. Pigeon, pigeon. Quill, quill. Raven, raven. Robin, robin. Rooster, rooster. River tern, river tern. Seagull, seagull. Skylark, skylark. Sparrow, sparrow. Starling, starling. Stork, stork. Swallow, swallow. Swift bird, swift bird. Tailor bird, tailor bird. Toucan, toucan. Turkey bird, turkey bird, vulture, vulture, wagtail, wagtail, weaver bird, weaver bird, woodpecker, woodpecker. Hope you practiced along with me well. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video and click the bell button to subscribe.